Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to find Bitcoin wallet address in Guarda Wallet. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first thing to do is to launch and open Guarda mobile application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account by entering your correct password. After typing in your correct password, tap on Unlock Wallet. Once you're inside your wallet, find your Bitcoin wallet in the list displayed on the main homepage. Simply tap on the BTC coin. Then, you will come across this interface. To find your wallet address on Bitcoin, you will be able to see it right after you open up the Bitcoin option. Your wallet address will be displayed on the screen. You can now copy your wallet address by tapping on the copy button and share it with anyone in order to send or receive crypto. Also, you will be able to open up the QR code for the wallet. Simply tap on the QR code icon and let anyone scan the QR code in case you are trying to receive Bitcoin from that person. You can also share your Bitcoin wallet address with others to receive Bitcoin payments. Simply tap on the share icon right next to the copy icon and then select one of the contacts you would want to receive the Bitcoin from. And that is how you should be able to find your Bitcoin wallet address using your Guarda application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye. Till then.